Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be washing the B18B1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart as many of the things as I can off the engine. Like some of the stuff that's kind of useless, like the power steering brackets and all that, we're going to just remove permanently. But I'm going to remove as much as I can so I can take the engine outside and we're going to wash off all the oil. Primarily it's around the oil pan that's actually kind of greasy. Everything else is just kind of, I guess, minor corrosion and stuff. So we'll just clean all that up before we start ripping the engine apart. All right, so for this job, I'm going to start using my high torque impact wrench. For this job, for the most part, I think a regular one would do, but I think some of the stuff that's going to be tight is probably the brackets. So this will just gut them right off. But I'm setting it at the lowest setting, so it's not going to apply too much torque. You don't want to strip anything. Alright, the front is all taken off. That is good. We're going to move on to the back now. So this is the header bracket. Take this off, clean it separately. Alright, now we need to remove crank pulley and all that so we can get timing cover and all that. Because behind here it's pretty greasy. This isn't tight. I already loosened it in my Makita test video. Yeah, make sure you don't lose the key for the crank here. All right, to take all the covers off, we need to actually get behind the valve cover, so valve cover has to come off. And then we're gonna have to put it back. This gasket can come out. We will loosen the tensioner and pop the belt off. Good. Put the valve cover back and then we can start washing this thing. Oh, I guess that's pull that too. Use this. Okay. And just looking at the valve cover, how dirty it is, we're probably going to clean the inside of it on another time. Maybe not today. But I would love to get this thing all nice and clean and then repaint the valve cover. We're good to start cleaning it now. I'm just going to wrap up what I don't want to get wet. And then we can take it outside and start cleaning. All right, guys, so it's all nice and clean now. As you can see, all that oil and all that stuff is all gone. Took a lot of time. Essentially just toothbrush and some super clean, which got this thing nice and spotless. I still have to clean the intake manifold and all that, but I'll wait until I take that apart and then I'll clean it separately. But that's what it looks like now after it's all clean. And you can see this is how I kind of closed up all my stuff. I just used some saran wrap and some rubber bands, and that helped prevent water from getting in there. So now I'm just gonna wait for the engine to fully dry before I work on it. I don't want to get water inside the motor or anything like that, at least not at this point. So one of the things I did notice when I was cleaning the motor is this section here. Looks like it's been cracked off. I'm not 100% sure what was in that section before, but it looks like it was grinded and then cracked off. So I may have to clean this up. Well, I will clean this up a little bit because it looks like hideous. So I'll probably take my angle grinder to it and just grind it down. But yeah, I'm not sure what was there before, so I'll have to look up some pictures. Essentially, that is something that I didn't expect. I'll bring you guys real close. All right, guys, that's it for this video. It takes a lot of work to clean an engine. I actually spent a lot of time on it. It is nice and clean now. I put it to the side. So the next step is basically to start taking this thing apart, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to do that next time. So that basically concludes this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.